Yo, what up everybody? Good morning. Right now I'm trying to check the weather. Let's go outside. The gloominess went away. It was, well, I don't know. Today seems to have a pretty chill day so far. Alright, so let me close this. Right now I got some lights for Panda. I am really excited to open this box because I really want to change the look of the front end of Panda. Until I get the bumper, it's really hard to find this bumper that I want. But until then, this will do for now. And I really need some new headlights because the ones I have, they have cracked. It's not even bright anymore. Sometimes I can't even tell my lights are on. I'll show you guys that in a bit. So right now, please excuse the hair. I'm gonna redo it probably today as well. Before all that, let's open this box and get today started. Guys, so I have been waiting for, like I said, a long time to finally even have this car. Now that I am going to change the look, I think it would be best for me to start off with the headlights. So let's get this thing open. Big ass box. Alright, so here it is. Let's just unpackage it and see what we got. I don't know where my scissors are. It's a box inside a box. There's box one. These came with some bulbs. I might change these because they're like yellow, but we'll see. Oh, this is dope. Okay, box. Oh, what? Oh my damn. This is sick. Okay. Check that out. So, I don't know if you guys can see through the bubble wrap, but it has a built-in eyelid. And then these lights down here are all the like LED style. And then these are just, I believe, projector bulbs. Yeah, these are not halos. And they already pre-did the wiring or pre-cut. As you see these two right here. So this is the ground, and then the white one's obviously the power. I believe those two are for the LED. So I might have to get some quick extenders, and then this should plug it into the original. Oh, this is so dope. And then it has this. I guess where those yellow bulbs, they go through there. So that shines, and this shines, but I probably don't want that to be yellow. But we'll just put it on just to see how the light turns out. This is dope. This is hella dope. This is what I wanted, you know? It's a lot better than the crappy ones that I had. Wow. Well, let's open the other one. Take a look at these instructions. We're gonna go pick up some light bulbs for here and here. So I'm gonna probably take these light bulbs to like AutoZone or Pet Boys, whatever I can find that is close to here, and see if I can get like an LED version of this. maybe yellow, maybe just regular clear. I'm not sure yet. I'll try the bulbs on to see if the yellow fits for this type of design. And I can also see there's a bulb in here that I might want to swap out. So until then, let you guys know what's going on. See you in a bit. Now that you guys see me open my early Christmas present, I just remembered that I have an appointment with the homie Darren. He's the guy who put on the whole alarm system and speakers and stuff for my car. So I'll be heading there first, and then I'll be going to AutoZone or Pep Boys, whatever has lights that I can swap out. Guys, you know what this parking lot reminds me of? If you ever played Need for Speed Underground 1, doesn't this kind of look like a smaller version of that parking structure where you get to view all the cars? And it's so funny that my car is one of the cars that are in the game, and you can just drive off. Like, I'll be down to do a Need for Speed Underground 1 skit inside here. What's up, Panda? Okay guys, I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Like, I don't know if you can see, it's like that weird faded. I even cleaned the outer surface, and the inner surface is really really nasty. Like, water was getting in the whole time, and it hasn't even rained. Well, it did rain, but like water was getting in before the rain. And then this one, I don't know, this is how I had the light. Even the bumper's chipping, but I'll be fixing that later. But as far as this right here, I don't know, it's like the film's peeling off. But I'm not too worried because these lights will be changed today. Okay guys, right now, letting the car warm up. The reason why I'm going to Darren's shop is because when my stuff got stolen, they also stole my car keys, and I really don't feel comfortable driving around San Fernando Valley knowing that somebody else has one of these and they could get it on my car at any time. Talk to Darren, and we're gonna see if we can reprogram this to be the only remote to work for this car. Alright guys, so just now leaving Pep Boys, I did get some of the yellow bulbs, like some LED amber ones. Oh well, you can't see, it's super bright. Oh here, there we go. I made it back to the house, and I just realized that before I put in the lights, I have to go back out and actually buy quick connectors, which will make the LEDs work with the actual lights. So I'm like super exhausted. I just drove through what, 2 hours of traffic, and I have to go back out. It's crazy because of the holidays, but I want these lights on today. So I'm gonna go back out, grab those lights. I didn't even get a chance to go to the car wash. Everywhere I go is super packed. It's crazy out there. So I hope you guys are all safe and everyone gets to spend time with their families. So right now, I'm gonna go get the quick connectors before Pep Boys close, come back, put on these lights, and it's already dark out. So, be right back. Alright guys, right now we're under the hood of Panda, and it's some weird ticking noise, and I just found out that my car actually has no oil. Check this out. There's no oil at all. Like, so right now we're outside AutoZone. It's more light here. I'm not gonna drive anywhere with my car like this because I don't want to risk it. It's probably been like that for a while. I do know there's a small leak somewhere right here under the distributor. Wherever the leak is, because I cannot find it, it's a very small one drip leak, and it's making me cringe. today it finally caught up to me. So what I did was I bought this Lucas seal. Well, it's not a seal, but it stops leaks. So you're supposed to put one of these to replace 1 quart of this. And right now I bought 3 of these, and then you fill up with 1 of this, so that's technically 4 quarts. So I'm gonna use this funnel right now for the oil. That's what I'm gonna do right now before we do anything else. So this is the engine that I have so far. Nothing special yet. I am going to get new headers because my header actually has a crack. Can't tell because of the shadow. And this is my O2 sensor. I have another one at the bottom. But if you can see right here, see right there, come on, focus. There, that little shiny part, all that, that's where all the oil's leaking at. It's on top of my transmission. I already degreased the engine. I probably might show another video how I did that. But I do not want my engine all gunky and messy, which it's not, except for when all my oil went on the transmission. There's a small leak behind. This is the distributor. It's behind and very at the bottom. So it's like I don't want no more leaking at all. Is put that seal in. Okay, let's put this seal in. Very sticky. This stuff is still coming out. When you turn everything that you do into a cinematic, really. Well, see you guys in a bit. Whew, made it back. Here are the connectors. So these are the connectors I need to splice in the wires. My miniature camera stand broke, so I'm gonna figure out a way to time lapse this for you guys. I don't think I should work down here. Probably should do it outside, but since it's so dark, I'm gonna try to be very fast. So let's do it. Alright guys, now that I got the light off, before I do any cutting wires and everything, I'm gonna install these LED like amber, so that way I don't have to change them later. So I'm gonna connect these, and then right now I want to show you guys how this works. You can see the open gap right there. You put the wire that you're connecting it to in there, and then the second hole, if this focus. Alright, so you see the hole on the left, that's where you just add it onto, and then the hole on the right is where you put your new wire into. And then this metal bar right here, you pinch it and it'll connect the 2 wires, and then you use this part to close it. So right now I connected the open side, and I'm just going to I'm gonna put the new wire into the hole in the right there, so you guys can see it, and then I'm gonna pinch them both, and I'm gonna do the same thing to the black one right here on the left. I cleaned off like the original port that I'm going to have to connect this housing to, and this light right here is the one I'm gonna be replacing with the amber style light. I'm gonna take it out, and I opened up some of the wiring so that way I can splice in the LED strip that comes with the new lights. So I'm gonna put it on that red one you see there and the black one, because the black is negative, the red is positive, and then I forgot what the green one's for, but I'm gonna splice it in to those two right there. My god, my car looks like it's been through a horrible accident. I cannot stand it like this. Pretty soon I'll get the intercooler and all that. Alright guys, so this is how I connect it. You can see the white going into the red for positive, and then black and black for the negative. Oh, come on, focus. There we go. And that's how I got that LED strip to work. And I plugged it into the turning signal light for the amber. So when I turn on my dimmer lights, when this light comes on, the LEDs come on as well. So I'm gonna electrical tape all this so that way it doesn't get any water inside before I bolt it onto the light harness, or bolt it back on into the light. That's why I went through the whole hassle of picking these up. So it should make my life a lot easier. Alright guys, well, you made it to the end of this vlog. If you guys really like how these lights turned out, please comment down below and let me know what you guys think about Panda's new eyelids and LEDs. Before you guys go, just don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That is it for today. I hope you guys had fun with me, and until next time, have a good day, happy holidays. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.